Bronski's. Can't wait to come back to that, get some ice cream, go down on the river, do our little boat send-off from our projects. Boy, I miss this town. I haven't been here in 2 months. Here, a little shout out to our town here, our police department, our fire department, our municipal building. Thanks for all that you're doing every day. Wow, that's new. Almost fully built. All right, coming around this awesome town, some more baseball fields. And this is where a lot of people have been getting out and fishing. This is the place to be to go fishing in High Bridge. Here's our beautiful arches. There we go. People are fishing. Good outdoor activity for this town. Some more. This is where I get myself ready for the day. I don't know if anyone was watching The Last Dance with Michael Jordan, but this is where I say in my head, what time is it? Game time. Woo. Pulling her here and I'm ready. I'm focused for the day. There's High Rail. They were donating some good stuff. And there's Scouts. I've heard some great things about Scouts lately. Putting some care packages together and people are buying it and fruits and vegetables and stuff from them. Great time to start learning how to cook, hang out with your family. Pulling into my town here. And I heard our Peking Lock just opened up for curbside. Excited about that. Commons. Here's our Columbia Trail. People are out and about on that now. Governor opened up that trail. It's a good place to go. A couple of our students made some gnome houses that they can put out there, which is pretty cool. Can't realize how much you miss a town when you haven't seen it for a while. It's so pretty here. Trees all in bloom. Weather's getting nice. Gonna get ourselves outside more. Here we go. School here. So great. Some great signs. Ah, look who it is! Still working hard. Keeping your school clean and looking spiffy. Oh, I missed him. All right, gonna get our day started. This is usually what I see on my day. Beautiful artwork by the students coming down. It's like crazy how much I miss doing this. Come in, usually you see Coach K, Now I gotta go sign in. All right. Oh my God, it's just like the normal days when I walk in. Look what we see.
Good morning.
Hello.
How are you, Mrs.
Oh,
Bess?
what? And then there's a sighting of Mr. Cullen. This is like, I feel like I'm back to the normal day of work.
Good morning.
How are we doing?
We're good.
Everything's good here?
Yeah.
How's everything going with you?
Oh, everything's great. The weather's nice, so I'm really excited about that. We're gonna get outside, do the normal stuff, but wow, I'm just like in shock. This is like my normal day, walking in, signing in, seeing these two lovely people. So I start my day off every day. It's the best thing in the world. All right, well, thank you. I'm glad you guys are here.
Have a good day.
You too. All right, here we go. Back in the hallways. Seeing things. Pretty sweet. Oh, look at our chains. The last day we were together. Our pie chains. They look pretty cool. All right, here we go. And there it is. Welcome back. All right, heading our way up to the elementary school. Such a cool ride up. There it is. More people working, keeping the yards looking good. To another local business that is always been a fan favorite. There's some good daily specials every day, you know. And there she is. Hilltop Deli. Make sure you go in and order some sandwiches and stuff. To High Bridge Golf Course. Governor opened that back up a couple weeks ago. We could go with a party of 2. Now the place is bopping because we are at a party of 4. So they opened that up a little bit more. Another great recreational activity for you. Continuing to keep your social distancing. I've golfed on this course. It is beautiful and difficult. A lot of hills. Why we're the hilltoppers. So get out there. Right. Now I'm heading on home. Normal way I go. Gonna head down by the park. Shout out to the post office. It's up here. Still delivering our packages. Appreciate it. Here we go, heading on down. It's looking good here. I know some of you are missing the baseball season, especially after your victory last year. But we'll be back out there. We'll get out there. Here's where we usually do our picnic. Pretty nice. It's so nice to have something like this in town. There you go. Softball. It was really nice visiting the town today, seeing some people, doing our thing. appreciate everybody still doing all the work and stuff at school. So, all right. Hope you have a good day. I'm gonna head on home.